Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be discussing CSS borders, but I want to change my method or my system of teaching you guys. I previously have been uploading my videos by parts. I group topics, at times 5-6 topics into a video, but I'm changing my system of doing this tutorial. I'll be releasing these videos every day, and it's going to be per topic because I want to scale efficiently, because most times people don't really know the topics inside that particular video, so it's not being effective. And another reason I'll be doing this video every day is that I want to dig deep into each topic very well. I don't just want to do it out explaining very well. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys understand what I'm doing. It's about you. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be teaching you borders. Let's get started. In CSS we can decorate borders with lines, and we can either make it square or rounded. Yeah, and so I'll be having two elements. I'll have a p tag. I will also have a div element. Okay, I'll have the p tag, and inside the p tag I'll say I am border, oh no, I'm border element. Let me make sure I close this. I'm a border element, and here I'll write I am a div border element. Okay, I have these two right here, and first of all let's pick the p tag. And to specify a border, you have three major properties. You have the border style, you have the border width, and you have the border color. So let's start with the border width. You can start with the border width. So I just do the border width. Let's assume we do 10 pixel. Okay, you notice nothing happens inside the browser over here, over this element. So let's go on. After the border width, let's do the border style. I have my border style. Let's do solid. Okay, can you see that something is now happening, but it's with a black color, even without me specifying the color? So the default color for a border is color black. So if I do border color now, if I do border color now and I set it to green, can you now see that I have my color as green? So you have the border width, the border style, and you have the border color. But if you notice this element over here, you notice it has four sides: the top, the bottom, the left, and it also has the right. So if I want to style a border, not the whole thing now, I just want to style only the left, what I will just do is border left. I can just do border left. Sorry about that. I can just do border left width this way. Okay, do you notice I still have my border over here, and this border here, the default width of a border is a pixel, just 1 pixel. So on my left hand side I have 10 pixel width, and on other sides I have 1 pixel. Okay, so if I have border left style now, if I have my border left, let's add the left in between here. If I have my border left style, did you notice that it's not adding a border to this? Because the style is very important. I'm only specifying the border style for the left. I'm not specifying for other parts. So you must add a border style for a border to display. Okay, so if I have my border left style and I have another one, and I say I have border style over here, for example, and I say I have border style, if I say I have border style over here, for example, and I have, let's assume we have dotted. We have dotted now, and remove this. Did you notice we have this dotted line over here, and for here we also have the dotted, but because I specified the border left width to be 10 pixel, it looks very big than other parts. Okay, so we can have the border left, the border top, the border right, and the border bottom. So let's have that and see what that looks like. I can have let's clean it up to here. I can have my border left to be Okay, I don't want to use the shorthand now. Let's start with border top width. Let's say we have 3 pixel, and I'll copy this down a couple of times. Border top width, let's say I have this one to be 1 pixel, we have this one to be 5 pixel, and lastly I have this one to be 4 pixel. Okay, these are different widths, right? And I want to have border top style, and I want to have solid. So I will copy this down a couple of times again. Instead of top, I will have border right, then I'll have border bottom, and then I will have border left. Okay, so I'll have solid, let's do dotted, then let's do dashed, and then let's do for this, let's do okay, we have them over here. Let's do double for this. Okay, do you notice we have different kinds of border for this element over here? I am a border element here. Here we have the double, here we have the solid, here we have the dotted, and here for the bottom we have the dashed. Okay, so that's how you can specify border style, type, width, and for each one you can also specify the color. So let's do border top color. Let's do border top color. Let's do red. Let's use color name. Copy this down a couple of times again. I'll do border right color. Let's do yellow. I'll do border bottom color. Let's do green, and for this let's do blue. That's border left. Okay, you notice we have different color. Let me zoom this. Oh no, I'm actually zooming. Okay, can you see? Notice we have different colors over here for the top, the left, the bottom, and the right. So that's how you can specify your borders. And for the border style, I already have them in here. These are all the border styles we have. You can set it to none, you can set it to hidden. Hidden and on is the same thing. Both means it should not be displayed. You have the dotted, the dashed, the solid, the double, the groove ridge, inside and outside. You can all try this kind of border styles. Okay, and the last thing I would like to show you about borders is the shorthand property for the borders. You can add a shorthand property. Okay, I can have my shorthand property instead of writing the border width, the border left, and all this. I can just have my border, just a single property now. I can just have my border to be, I can just say border. I can say 3 pixel solid red. See, and I have it. First, I have the width. Second, I have the style, and third, I have the color. So that is it about. I want you to try adding a border to this. Make the width of this div 200 pixel and the height 200 pixel, and specify a border of 3 pixel, a color yellow, and make the border style to be dotted. Just try this on your own. I intentionally didn't touch this, so you can try doing this on your own. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to ask your questions in the comment box. Thank you.